I'm going to finish section 3.3. The idea of quartiles is a lot like percentiles, because you can see quartile 1 is the same as 25th percentile. So if we think of breaking up a bunch of data, we can break it into quarters. So here's quartile 1, quartile 2, and quartile 3. So there's 25% below here, 50% below quartile 2. What's another name for quartile 2? Quick. It's the median. Now, there's no agreement on how to find percentiles or how to find quartiles. I'll do percentiles with z-scores later. I'm going to find quartiles the exact same way that I find a median. So we're going to find a 5-number summary, then we're going to build what's called a box plot. So minimum and max data value, those are easy. We know how to find the median. And so I'm going to use the same procedure here to find Q1 and Q3. So let's find our 5-number summary. Okay, there's my min. There's my max. Notice the data is ordered. I have 50 data values. So the median position is 50 plus 1 divided by 2. 50 is n. Well, that's 25.5. So my median is between the 25th and the 26th data value. That's how you interpret that 25.5. So I go 20, okay, here's the 25th, there's the 26th. My median is right between, which was a chance because n was even. So midway between 13.7, if you want, you can divide by 2 or just look at it and go 13.9 is the median. That's quartile 3. Wait, quartile 2, my bad. The median. Doesn't help when I misspeak, I know it. So the median is in here. Notice below the median, there are 25 data values. Well, quartile 1 is the median of those values. So I'm going to do the same procedure that I used to find the median. I'm going to use n is 25. I'm going to add 1 to that, divide by 2. That's 13. So the 13th value is quartile 1. So there's 10, 11, 12, 13. So there's Q1, 7.9. Okay, Q3. There's 25 data values above the median. I don't have to do any more work. So now the 13th value above the median is Q3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Q3 is 21.5. So I'm just doing the same procedure, finding the median 3 times. First time I work with all the data. Second time I only work with half the data. So my 5-number summary, the min 0.8, Q1, and I want you to list them this way, 7.9, Q2, or the median, is 13.9, Q3 is 21.5, and then the max, 77.8. I'm just going to go ahead and make my box and whisker plot right here. Give me a scale. Looks like they're running kind of between 0 and 100. Okay, so here's 50. Here's 25. Here's 75, just to orient myself. Q1 is about 8. That's in here. So I label 7.9. Now I'm going up to 21.5, which is about up in here. I labeled that. My median is in between. That's 13.9. So notice I just made the box, and then the whiskers go to the min, up to the max, and I have a box plot. So I have a scale. It happens to be megabytes per second. And then I label all my values here because I can't really look to see what that value is on my scale, so I have to label it. So that's how easy it is to make a box plot. I just did it. There's our 5-number summary. The only thing I would caution is I think you got to give me a scale. You know, kind of orient what's going on here. And that's that.